In my video, I will provide you with help to remove the new ransomware called Jinwooks. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. I got this sample of this VirusTotal of this ransomware on the VirusTotal database. Anyway, my video is only for the educational purposes. As you see, before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. So, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data can be opened easily without troubles. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Jinwooks ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware appends this Jinwooks extension to the file names. By the way, this ransomware is also targeting computers in South Korea. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. Instead, I recommend you to scan your system with Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and then start carefully researching the system. Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button. So the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection of this ransomware. After you click on Start Scan, the scanning will begin. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the detected threats. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. This way, you can even request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner, and this way your data will always be protected from all further ransomware or malware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.